See the sunlight beaming down, warming the waiting ground. Allow your soul to come drown. Feel your heartbeat pound. Your eyes follow the mountain. The light pours as a fountain. You wish to feel the sunshine, waiting beyond the fence line. Dare not cross with hesitation. Go chase the beauty of fascination. The fence is a warning not to explore, so from a distance, relax and simply adore. Trees and grass on the hillside, feel the sun warm you inside. As nature begs you to enjoy, pause, breathe, inhale the joy.